Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Everything. Today, I'm going to show you how to knot a tie in 7 easy steps. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial is perfect for you. Step 1. Begin with the basics. Start by facing a mirror and standing up straight. Place the tie around your neck with the wide end on your left side and the narrow end on your right side. Step 2. Cross the wide end. Cross the wide end over the narrow end, so that it forms an X shape. This is the starting point for our knot. Step 3. Loop the wide end. Take the wide end and pass it behind the narrow end. Then, bring it up and over the knot so that it forms a loop. Step 4. Pass the wide end through. Take the wide end and pass it through the loop you just created. This will start to form the knot. Step 5. Tighten the knot. Gently, pull the wide end to tighten the knot. Make sure it's snug, but not too tight. Step 6. Adjust the tie. Adjust the tie so it's centered and the knot is even. Tuck the narrow end into your shirt and you're almost done. Step 7. Final adjustments. Make any final adjustments to the knot and tie. Pull the knot up to the collar of your shirt and adjust the tie so it's perfectly aligned. That's it. You now know how to knot a tie in 7 easy steps. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. Thanks for watching Learn Everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Catch ya!